Good evening. Scott here, Chopper Airport. Today I've got this AFR Eliminator, part number 4810 on the bench. This is a single plane intake manifold for your standard port 23 degree small block Chevy, designed to work in the 3,000 to 7,500 RPM range. This has a low carb pad height, similar to the Victor Jr., with the tilted flange for low hood clearance applications. You can see this one has the cloverleaf design. This focuses on airspeed and port velocity by filling the gaps below the carburetor and decreasing plenum volume. This helps to build power in the low RPM range. This one is fully ported with a burr finish. That was done here at Chopper Air Porting Service. Take a close look inside. This will be run on a 400 cubic inch small block Chevy with a set of AFR 195 Eliminator cylinder heads in a CJ7 Jeep. Yeah, I'll take a moment here and flip it over and take a look at the port side. And here we are on the port side. The port match on here was originally done by CNC at AFR. The thing with CNC is that it only goes about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch up the port. What this does is it causes a variation in both taper and cross-sectional area. And that needs to be blended all the way up to the plenum. As you can see here, this has been fully blended with a burr finish all the way out to the ports. If you like what you see, press subscribe. In the meantime, happy motoring, folks. Stay safe.